Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Trust you're doing good. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design a makeup flyer on your Pixellab. Without wasting much of our time, let's start. So the first thing I have to do here is to change this color, the background color to this, and this is the color code D17F82. I repeat, D17F82. So that is the background color I'm going to use. So the next thing is to bring out the image from gallery. And this is the image that I use. So actually drag it and put it here. Good. So the next thing, you can actually lock it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out a shape, this one, then increase the shape, drag it, then place it here. Good. Leave it white. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to write the tune. Good. Okay, twin sister. I'm going to write the sister to give it capital letter. Place it here. And give it a font. So change the font to Montestra extra bold or symbol. So let me change the extra bold. If the extra bold is low, no, let me change it to semi bold. Good. So the semi bold will work out. So actually decrease it a little bit. So the next thing you're going to write now, you can copy the twin sister, then you write your fashion shop. Then change the font to beta. This byte. Change the font to byte. Good. Then place it on top of this. Good. So I want to do something. I want to decrease this a little bit. Then include this one. Good. Can lock it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out the shape. Bring out the shape. And give it a texture. So you go to your texture, then you bring out the image you want to use for the texture. So I'm using this first here. No, let me use this one first here. Good. So I'm using this for it first. Then you can try this very well here. Good. So the next thing is to duplicate it. Then you place it here. Then you change structure to any of this. So I'm going with this. You increase it a little bit so you can size it. So the next thing is to copy it again, then you place it here. Then you go to structure again, then you choose another one. So the one I choose is down here. Good. So the next one is to give it a stroke. I should have given the image a stroke before, but you can still actually give it like this. To give the stroke, white stroke. Or let's give it black so that the pixel can come out. Good. So black is okay. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to break out another image that I placed at the right side. So this one, then I'm going to place it here. Then go to your opacity. Then you decrease the opacity a little bit. So you can give it 37 or 36. Good. So you can actually lock it. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your plus button. Then you add your services. Then you place it here. Then you give it color black. Then you change the font also. Then you can use this auto regular. Good. So please here. So the next one is to copy this of the service. Then you write your pedicure, manicure, guillotine, hair stylist, good. So next now is you go to your alignment. I want to use less alignment, so you go to your left, go to your align, and this is the align. So you click on it, then you click on the left alignment. This, can you see it? Good. So I'm going to place it here. Then let's be aligned with this. So you can bring out your grid and make it align together. Good. Yeah, but okay. So the next thing right now is to bring out the shape again. Change to this, then give it this color. Then you place it here. I'll tell you move this one a little bit up. Good. So let me check if they are aligned together, the shape. Okay, good. They are good to go. So the next thing is to bring out your WhatsApp icon. To go to your download any WhatsApp icon you want to use. So you download it and use it like that. So I'm going to bring out a transparent WhatsApp icon. So this is it. So the next is to copy this service. Then you write your number 070 380 380 So the next thing you're going to do right now is to go to your plus button again, then you break out maybe your Instagram or your Twitter icon. So if you're using Instagram, if I bring out Instagram, so let me use Instagram for this face. Then you position it to that side. Position. Use a position key. So the next thing right now to do is to change the right up as then you place it here. Then you make sure they are aligned together. Good. You're good to go. So the next thing you're going to write here, you copy this version shop, then you write we are capable and available 24/7. So you change it to black, change the color to black. Good. Then you drag it a little bit. Then you place it here. Still decrease it a little so that it can fit in. Then make sure they are aligned together. No, we are dealing with alignment here. So make sure they are aligned together. Good. Can you see now you are done with it? So that's how to do it a little. No waste time. Look up flyer on Pixellab. You can actually do yours. I'll be sending the material for you guys at the description. So check the description for the materials. I wish you best of luck. Thank you. Then save it as image and as a project. So I found out something I did yesterday. There was a project I was giving up. So I saved it as JPNG and another one the the image will blur when it brought it out. So the best way to save it is to save it as PNG. Save as PNG, then you save as very high. Don't even save as ultra. Save as very high. That's how to save your work. I have saved it before, so that's why I don't want to save it again. So in this case, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to like. Don't forget to share also. And don't forget to hit the bell so as to be getting more updates from me. Thank you.